boy Fat Black, addressing all this shit I'm hearing, man. Fuck everybody who's saying it or believe it. There's nothing to me, man. I get shit cracking. Fuck what you heard and fuck what you think, bitch. But that's your boy Fat Black. Since Chi-Town fell off, the world been watching. Fat Black never left, I was chillin' on Constance. My team been here, we just strolling through options. Blow the kush to the face, catch a hater and pop 'em. I'm the truth in the booth, you generic, I'm real. Marvin Gaye when he's sober, but be Tukey on pills. Starting beef with the team is the reason I kill. Put the 40 in his mouth, turn his dome to a field. You niggas is homo, ain't no equal or even. 4-5, click clack, leave him gooey like semen. Put the pedal to the metal, show the barrel, he passed out. Hit him in his face, break his jaw on his glass mouth. Posted on the block, niggas ready for anything. Shoot him in his chest, leave him redder than Harold's wings. I'm hotter than the pepper and you niggas is mouse law. I'm harder than your brother with a pistol, you loud Joe.
Ain't you that nigga Mike?
Yeah.
Word around town is that you bite.
What?
You jock a nigga style, then you right.
Hold
Now
on.
don't try to shoot the messenger, that's if the message ain't true. Cause I'ma be the killer then, cause the killer ain't you. Why they talking out the side of their neck? You need to grow some balls, man up and demand some respect. They ain't on anything, fam, but if they gun jam, S-P-O-R-T, and then blam, knock some noodles loose. The alley rats can drink the noodle juice. I hope you got an alibi, cause tonight you gon' do the do. Ain't gon' be no hootie hoos, do it by yourself. What you need, a click of gorillas to make a nigga melt like ice cream from the heat. See, you just another bitch with a gun, and yeah, son, you tickle me. And since my name ain't Elmo, don't fucking play with me. You love rapping about guns, so motherfucker spray the heat.
Alright then, show me where them fuckers kick it at. If we can't find them there, just show me where she living at. Tired of bitches talking, so I run up and blast off. Give her bloody showers, knock her natural mask off. Walking through the hood looking for her, she hiding out. Cock the gun, hop up in the whip and I'm riding out. A goofy ass dyke selling packs for the block. A real butch, you a run at the sound of the cock. Kill your whole fucking team if you talk about guns. Pull a knife out my pocket, she'll drop it and run. Tell the people what you want, but you ain't thuggin' shit all. Better keep your niggas close like a pussy with walls. Don't give a fuck about your feelings, I'll murder your spouse. When them street lights on, better get in the house. Stop talking out your neck, you never walk in my shoes. Leave the only baby missing, give your mommy the blues, bitch.